Hey guys, welcome back. And as I told you before, we're going to move on with some more vocabulary related to some bad dudes, as Donald Trump might say. We're going to talk about crooks, okay? A crook, of course, is slightly different than that of a thief, okay? They maybe do something else against the law. We're going to start with the first one, which is an arsonist. An arsonist is a person who loves fire. And by love fire, I mean, of course, that they love burning buildings down or burning warehouses down. They like to start a fire. Then we have the swindlers, the con artists, the tricksters. And as you can tell by the names, you can get an idea or a feeling as to actually what they might do. They trick people out of money or they con them. This can happen in banking terms. When you open your bank account, you're like, oh my God, there's thousands of euros gone. Maybe you have been conned. Then we have the smugglers. The smugglers are those people who traffic or transport illegal goods, people, drugs, etc., across international lines, okay? Illegally. These are called smugglers. And of course, finally, we have the forgers, which have a very tough business these days as we have the internet. So forging is not something that happens a lot anymore. However, if you need a passport, if you need an ID, if you need some documents forged or copied, then a forger is your man. Okay, so I'm going to leave you in good company, not with this bunch of crooks, but with some good vocabulary to relate to them.